as you can see, all the charts look identical. The one difference in the chart of the Swiss yen, this here was our breakout point, the structure point from last time, right there, which is the 84.67. That was the structural turning point. That was actually the beginning of that move, that momentum leg to the upside in the Swiss yen, which was back in February this year. So last week we put another structural point pretty much at the same location. That structural point was 84.61, so it's just 5 pips away, which makes it again quite significant, because it's a price point that the market has tested before. Also, it was also the beginning of this leg up here, and it was also the beginning of a leg up there. So the 84.67 has been the beginning of pretty much 4 momentum legs to the upside. So therefore we have closed the week at 84.11. We are about 50 pips away from that structural point. This is a pretty decent close. It's a close that indicates continuation. So we will take the buy above the high of the day. So the high of the day is 84.40. So we're going to buy it above we're buying it above 84.40, and if I do buy it at 84.40, my stop is going to be below the market side, which is 83.96, and my next structure point, which is the significant one, which is very significant, is the 84.67. I know my short structure from here. I can see it on the daily chart, which is 82.40, so I'm going to put it here as my short structure point, so at least I know it. And I'm going to look to identify where I can go short. If you look at this here, guys, this thing has moved through several days of highs and lows and structure points. This has just been magnificent. I mean, I really don't know where to, I can't find a place where I can say it's going to be safe to actually take a short. The only place I can suggest we can take a short, this is again a point that has been tested on the way up from here. And it has been tested on the way down there. So it was a point that was resistance and short. I have in a momentum move to the upside. I have a short covering. So the best place for us to go short is if it breaks below this significant point. That seems to be the most reasonable point. So this here is going to be our short. And our stop would be there. and our short structure is the 8240, which we identified from the daily chart. So we are going to be shorting it below 82.93, and our stop is going to be 83.30, and our structural short point is the 82.40.05. Okay, that is the Swiss yen. We're actually doing good. We're moving quite fast because the market has been